Alright, I'm getting ready to leave Buena Vista after my rest day. I feel well rested. Definitely needed that after Hoosier Pass and the 60-mile day followed. So headed to really not even a town, just there's a private campground. I think there's some BLM land there too, but I'm going to try and stay at the private campground because I've got water, and I'm going to be on a stretch probably without water for 60 or so miles. So I'm going to take that and leaving a little later than I had anticipated, but feeling well rested anyway. So I got, I think, 46 miles today, and one more big climb, Poncha Springs, Poncha Pass I think it's called. I'll be heading up. I think it might be a 2,000 foot climb or something like that for about 10 miles. So I'm gonna hit the road. It's about 8:30, all loaded up and caffeined up and ready to go. Really can't beat that view in the morning. It's just amazing. God, is it windy. Must be 20-mile-an-hour wind. Whew. And up like a 3 or 4% grade too. And I'm not even at the pass yet. I'm just before Poncha Springs. Man, this wind, it just almost stops me in my tracks. Like I'm only doing like 3 or 4 miles an hour. And I don't have any gears left. But at least it's keeping me cool, that's one good thing. But man, it is blustery. Almost to the top of the climb before Poncha Springs. Man, that breeze feels good. It's not terrible climbing. It's gotten 6 or 7% grade, but has not been terrible. It's too bad the background's whitewashed. You can't see the valley behind me, but because I'm in the shade, I'll try and get a video of it. I'm at the Poncha Springs Visitor Center. It's very nice. They got bathrooms here and cold water and even Wi-Fi. So I was able to get back in contact with the world. There's a nice older couple in there running the joint and giving out information. They got a lot of maps and things like that. So picked up a couple maps and gonna find some place to eat here. And then I'm gonna go over Poncha Pass. So about 25 miles in so far. And like I said, there's a strong headwind, but it's keeping me cool. So kind of balancing itself out. Just enjoying the sunshine and the cool breeze. So time to go find some grub. Oh my God, I found a barbecue trailer. All right, Poncha Pass, here I come. I think this is the last pass of the trip. Last major one anyway. Got 7 miles to go, and then it's all downhill and flat from there. Yeah, right. Anyway, it's about 2 in the afternoon. Still got a headwind, but it should be nice climbing because I'm not going fast anyway. Hopefully the climb's not too bad, so I'm gonna get started. Still climbing, almost to the top. I think maybe about 1.5 miles to 2 miles from the top. Just take a little breather. Just walking between shade spots. I'll show you behind me where I've come from. It never looks the same on video as it does in real life, but figured I'd show you anyway. The beautiful San Luis Valley. Whew. Just cresting the pass, Poncha Pass into the San Luis Valley. It's gorgeous. All right, my last pass, all done. Woohoo!